Spencer here, sharing tips from my 100,000 kilometers of cycling. Now, gears. The most important thing when you're on a touring bike is that you're going to be carrying luggage, whether it's bikepacking or bike touring. And that luggage means every time you face a hill or a mountain, it's going to be hard going. So you want gears that are going to allow you to spin your feet as fast as possible to make those hills bearable and to keep your knees, joints, muscles protected. So here's my setup. So here on the front chain ring, you see 3 rings, but the smallest has 20 or 22 teeth. And then on the back, on the cassette, you want the largest gear to have 34 or 36. If your bike gearing is not adequate, your local bike shop can help you. I have found that changing the front chain rings so that we go all the way down to 20 or 22 teeth, and the smallest of those 3 rings or 2 rings, however many you have, is the way to go. That's often easier and cheaper for the bike store to do than change the rear cassette.
So the bottom line here is that most bikes are not made for bicycle touring. They do not have gearing that's suitable for getting you and your bags up a steep incline where you need your feet to be moving and spinning faster. So you will probably need to change the gearing on your bike, even on a good bike. And when you do it, don't worry about the other end of the gear range. In other words, when you want to go fast. Most of the times on bike touring, when you want to go fast, you're going downhill and your weight's going to carry you anyway. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tip videos. My book might give you inspiration to leave on your own long distance bike journey.